Okay, the next video we'll be working on is the short E sound. Now, the short E can be made two different ways by the letter E, eh, 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 like bed, eh, or EA, like bread, eh, bread, d. Okay, now to make an E sound, eh, eh, eh. First thing we do, open mouth, teeth, and lips. Eh, eh. Just like an A, break seal eh, eh, at the back of your throat. Number 3, eh, eh, ah, ah, eh, eh, ah, ah, ah. So, you flatten, to make the eh, eh sound, you flatten your cheeks out. You flatten your cheeks out, eh, eh, eh. And you pull, eh, 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 eh. Okay. Let cheeks and tongue touch at sides. And number 5, eh, eh. Pull cheeks back, eh, eh. Edible.